How to see another person's hidden friend list on Facebook. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. Open the Facebook app and tap on the friend of who you want to see the friend list. Go to their account and tap on see all friends. On all friends you can see their friend list. To see some people's friends you need to add them because in their settings they may have just decided who can see their friend list. Like if you go to your settings and see how people can find and contact you, you can see who can send you friend requests, everyone, friends of friends, or who can see your friend list, and choose your audience. Some people may just keep it only me, due to which we want to be able to see their friends list, whereas some people keep it specific, so you may add that person to see their hidden friend list. In this way you can see another person's hidden friend list on Facebook, or you may also not be able to see their friends list. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this information was helpful to you.